Welcome to Cook It, and it's a birthday, so we're making the best chocolate cake ever. Let's get started. You'll need 2 teaspoons baking powder, 3 teaspoons vinegar, half a cup of oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 2 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of boiling water, and a lot of patience and willpower. Let's get going. Add your flour to a bowl and then add your cocoa powder. Add all that sugar. Then our coffee powder. And we get to mixing. You want it as well mixed as possible. You want it all to be a uniform color. Add your milk, your 2 large eggs, your vegetable oil, your vanilla essence, your vinegar, and then we mix. We mix for a while until everything is mixed. Be sure you scrape the sides to make sure it's all mixed. As you can see from the time lapse, this took a heck of an amount. The idea is to get the flour well incorporated with everything else. You want it an even color. Trust me, it's well worth the effort. Now you add the boiling water. Make sure you add a bit at a time so that you don't get it too runny. If it is too runny, worry not. Add some more flour until it has the same consistency as thick sour milk or porridge. You don't want it running out of your cake tins. I find this cake a great one for birthdays, anniversaries, or a really memorable breakup. Now we get 2 cake tins about 19 centimeters, or 1 if you want a higher cake, and we generously butter the bottoms and sides. Pour your cake mix into your tins or tin, and then we get these into an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know your cake is ready when you can stick a toothpick or skewer in it and it comes out clean. Now that our cake is out, it'll look like this. Let it cool for 10 minutes before removing from the tin. Onto the frosting. You'll need 1.5 cups of butter, half a cup of milk, half a teaspoon of coffee, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 cup of cocoa powder, and 4 cups icing sugar. Add your cocoa powder and whisk until no lumps are there. Add your butter and you'll mix with a wooden spoon until it looks like one thing. At this point, it will resemble the frosting, but that's just the beginning. Add a cup of your icing sugar and about 1 tablespoon of milk and mix until incorporated. Repeat until you have no icing sugar and the milk is done, and that is how thick it should be. Add your coffee and vanilla essence and mix thoroughly. This will require a lot of energy. You'll end up with a product like this. Now use a spatula to cover the cake in its frosting. How much depends on what you like. I'm not a professional cake decorator, but you can make it as pretty as you can. Really let your inner cake boss shine for this one. And here you can see our guest taster Maipelo about to critique. And it seems this cake was a home run.